Artificial intelligence, as we know it today, did not appear out of nowhere. To understand the power of this field, we need to go back to the beginning, to the moment when the idea itself was born. Because every piece of technology we use today, robots, image generation, ChatGPT, smart systems, all of it was built on small decisions made by scientists over the last 70 years. The story starts in 1950 with a scientist named Alan Turing. He asked a simple but dangerous question. Can a machine think? That question was just an idea, but it was the spark that would later change the world. In the 1960s and 70s, researchers were extremely optimistic. They believed AI could reach human-level intelligence within a few years. But reality was different. Computers were slow, the technology was weak, and progress was much harder than they expected. This led to what we now call the AI winter, a period where funding stopped, projects died, and people lost hope in artificial intelligence. AI came back to life in the 1990s, when computers became faster and a new concept appeared, machine learning. This idea changed everything. Instead of programming intelligence directly, we teach the machine to learn on its own, like a child, but through mathematics and data. After years of development, we reached the turning point, 2012. A research team used deep neural networks to recognize images with accuracy that was considered impossible before. This moment triggered the explosion of modern AI. Then, in 2017, scientists introduced a new architecture called the transformer. This was a revolution. Transformers allowed machines to understand language, analyze long texts, and generate human-like responses. This was the beginning of the AI we use today. And in 2022, ChatGPT appeared, the moment that shocked the world. For the first time in history, ordinary people had access to an AI that could talk, write, analyze, and learn in real time. AI moved from research labs to everyone's hands. After that came even stronger models: GPT-4, GPT 4.1, GPT-4.1-mini, and the pace of progress became extremely fast. Every month, something new appears, and every year we make a jump that used to take a decade. And this speed will continue, because companies are now racing toward one goal: artificial general intelligence, a level where machines can learn and think like humans, and maybe even better. When you understand this history, you realize something important. The world today is not in a technological revolution. It's in a transition to a new era. An era where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but the beginning of a different future.